everybody! Today is a very, very special day. Come with me as I get the first car ever that I'm buying for myself. Trivia lang, for 30 long years na nagtatrabaho ko, the car that I would always buy would be shared with my family. But this time, I'm buying this to date only one person because there are only 2 seats in the car. So I can only date one. For example, si Papa B, or si Cali, or si Alonzo, or maybe si Ilio when he's big enough, na isa-isa ko lang silang dadalhin, or whoever friend I'm going to be driving with. I need you to help me decide the name of my car because I want to name it. Pero syempre, kailangan ma-name nyo yun na bagay sa color na binili ko. Well, hint lang, all of the cars that I've bought in the past are always white. But this time, I'm being brave and going with my power color. Can you guess what color that is? But for now, samahan niyo muna ako kasi I'm super, super excited. Okay. There you go. Looks like a plastic. Okay, what else? This. Nung bata tayo, paka-plastic lang ka na-excite sa buhay. Alam niyo ba yung parang yung lola mo na hindi nagtatanggal ng plastic sa sofa? Hindi ko rin tatanggalin yung plastic ng car na ko. In honor of my mama. Joke lang.